Unlocking Millionaire Potential, 3 boring businesses that lead to riches. Hey there, future entrepreneurs. Are you ready to turn those everyday tasks into a diamond mine? I'm dishing out the secrets to building your empire with 3 seemingly boring businesses that are anything but dull. So, grab your notepads and get ready to make millions. First up on our list is the laundry business. Yes, you heard me right. Laundromats are more than just places to clean your clothes. They are potential diamond mines waiting to be tapped. With the constant need for clean clothes and busy schedules, owning a laundromat can fast track you to financial success. But it's not just about throwing in a few machines and calling it a day. To truly maximize your profits, you'll want to invest in top-of-the-line machines, offer additional services like dry cleaning or folding, and create a welcoming atmosphere that keeps customers coming back for more. Next up, we have vending machines. These little money makers are more than just snack dispensers. They're passive income generators that can line your pockets with cash. Whether you're selling snacks, drinks, or even tech gadgets, the key to success lies in strategic placement and diverse product offerings. But here's the kicker. You can also rake in the dough by renting out your vending machines to businesses or events. Talk about easy money. And with minimal maintenance required, it's a win-win for your bank account. Last but not least, let's talk tech. From virtual reality headsets to smart home devices, the world of technology gadgets is booming. And guess what? You can cash in on the craze by becoming a distributor. With the right connections and a keen eye for emerging trends, you could be rolling in dough faster than you can say tech revolution. But wait, there's more. By offering value-added services like tech support or customization options, you can set yourself apart from the competition and solidify your spot as a tech titan. And there you have it, folks. 3 boring businesses transformed into million-dollar enterprises. So, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel for more money-making tips and get ready to turn your dreams into reality. Remember, the path to success may seem mundane, but the rewards are anything but boring.